Hey guys, how's it going? So, this video is about if Aurora got a rumor of Coca-Cola acquiring them, the stock could skyrocket. Because right now there's no news that I think Aurora can come out with, except for financials to uplift the stock. So let's begin. Let's watch the video. I'm gonna start off with Investing Hustler. He got 10k subscribers. That's awesome. Congratulations, buddy. And I'm gonna also steal a little bit of your this video that I think is the beginning of this video is a masterpiece. You should like put it in all the beginnings of your videos just for fun. But if you actually watch this, you're probably going to watch this. But yeah.
That Coca-Cola is in serious talks with Aurora. Is Coca-Cola the partner that you want?
Coca-Cola would be a great partner.
Is Coca-Cola the only one who you're talking to?
Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola.
It's an imminent deal between Aurora and possibly Coca-Cola.
Reports that Coca-Cola may be interested in taking a stake in Aurora Cannabis.
Aurora is sending the message that, you know, Coke would be a great partner.
I have zero doubt that we're going to end up with a partnership.
What's going on, guys? It's
That was great. That was awesome. I had to use it in my video, but putting those images together in a quick, I guess, 30-second clip, about 25-second clip. That was pretty awesome. I had to steal that 25-second clip. But anyways, today Aurora stock, the volume is just like dying off massively. The financials came out. Canopy's financials came out. I thought Aurora stock would get uplifted by Canopy's pretty good earnings, but it didn't. The market didn't care. The stock market, Aurora stock just kept selling off and selling off and selling off. And on top of that, the volume is extremely low right now. I mean, sure, the stock could go back to maybe $10, but if it did it on really low volume, that's not a good sign. Aurora has almost 1 billion shares. On top of the Whistler, when they acquired Whistler, this is gonna go above 1 billion shares. So Aurora's gonna have 1 billion shares. In order for Aurora stock to move up, I guess $1, so to Aurora stock to go up to $10.30, it requires a lot of volume, and I just don't think there's going to be another big injection of volume. I could be wrong. Aurora could come out with some kind of fantastic news that is not a Coke rumor to like uplift the stock. But I just like, from my knowledge of Aurora, I just don't know what kind of news that Aurora can come out with that could uplift the stock. Maybe something with the U.S. investment. Maybe they acquire a U.S. company in the U.S. using stock and money shares, and the stock could get uplifted. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know for sure. I mean, I guess that is a scenario that's possible, but I'm thinking that we won't have an uplift of volume. I think that the stock's gonna decline. We'll see though. We'll see what kind of news Aurora comes out with. So I always go watch Claire's trade video charts because he makes like short 3-minute video kind of predicting where the stock would go, or talk about what like a possible scenarios where, you know, where the stock can go. And he's saying that, you know, Aurora stock could bounce. So he's saying that Aurora stock is going to be pushing back to $7, move around, trade around there for a while, and then bounce up. So like making stair steps. Maybe. I don't know. I honestly don't believe that's gonna happen. We'll see though. We'll see if that's scenario moving forward. I don't know why I have Micron up here, but I do. I have Micron. Anyways, so it is after hours now. It's officially after hours. Kronos is up 10 cents after hours, so it's still looking fairly strong, you know. But the thing is, the volume for these companies are starting to drop off. Like for example, Tron is reaching back to his new all-time highs, yet the stock volume is getting extremely low. So I mean, I think that's a concern, but I could be wrong. Like I don't like seeing stocks move up on low volume. I like to see stocks moving up on high volume. So the fact that it's moving up low volume, I don't know if it will break the 23.25, but we'll see though. We'll see where Kronos will be going forward. Afria after hours, same thing with Afria. The volume of Afria volume is dropping off. You can look it for yourself. Canopy Growth, you know, they should have went up. Like they had their earnings, the stock popped. Now it's pulling back to before their earnings, and then they got downgraded. So I'm thinking Canopy is gonna drop another $5, maybe 10. That's why I'm thinking that Aurora stock's gonna drop after hours. I could be wrong. I just don't see what would propel the stocks up. I mean, I think it's gonna have a little crash in March, and then April, and then probably in like May it'll start recovering for earnings, because you know people buy stocks around earnings. I'm assuming so. That's what my assumption is. I could be totally wrong, and you know the stock can just keep trading between $46. So in Canadian dollars, that would be around $60 ish. Even Canopy's Canopy's volume is dropping off. So I mean, the volume should have been higher for after the earnings. I thought the earnings were pretty decent, but it didn't, and I don't know if the stock's gonna drop off because Canopy still kind of does need decent volume for the stock to spike up to all-time highs. I just don't see the stock going back to $67. So if the stock's not gonna go up, I think the stock's gonna go down, and I think it's gonna drag the entire market down just for a little bit. I mean, I don't think the stock Canopy stock will drop to $40, like below $40. It could. That would be awesome if it did, because then I would definitely be a buyer if it goes below $40. Around, you know, $37 would be an awesome buy. But it may not. It may just float up around $56 to $60 for a while. We'll see though. We'll see. Aurora after hours is up 3 cents, so it is looking good. We'll see where things are heading, but volume is a concern moving forward still. Okay, I don't know why I have this up. Okay, I guess that's it. That's it for my video. I hope it's 10 minutes. Is it 10 minutes? 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Holy shit. You know, let's Hexo. What did Hexo do today? Hexo up 5%. Wow, that's big. What news that this caused? How about the volume? The volume's not bad, I guess. But what pushed the stock up 5%? Interesting. T-God went up today too, but T-God, its volume is dropping off big time. Strong volume kind of indicates if the stock's going to go up in the long term. Right now it has low volume and the stock's going up, so the strength is gone. So we'll see though, but T-God could just keep floating around 370 for a while, between $3 and 370. I'm hoping that T-God stock goes back to even 250, 280. That would be nice, but it may not. But you know, I'm hoping, because the volume's dropping off. So I'm hoping that this stock just tanks. I've been doing some research into this company. I wonder why the stock dropped so much. Like, it kind of makes no sense to me. Oh wait, lithium terminates supply agreement. That's right, I read that earlier. Yeah, the supply agreement could be an opportunity. The company, well, I'm researching the company, and it sounds like a pretty decent company. It may bounce back. Like, if it goes back to 60 cents, this is a double. So, and if it goes back to $1, this thing is a triple, essentially. So, $1.30 would be 4 times the money. That's pretty decent. But I don't know if it will. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Give me a thumbs down if you dislike this. And have a great day. Bye.